We love getting and sharing feedback from our satisfied customers. Our goal is to give every customer a 5-star customer service experience. Here's an awesome review from one of them that we just couldn't resist sharing with you and everyone else. And this is one of our latest customer reviews. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top quality service. We work one-on-one with every client to ensure we meet their expectations. Customer satisfaction is extremely important to our company. All of our customers were new customers at one time, so we're always excited to speak with any of them, whether they're new or returning. We appreciate you stopping by and watching, and we're happy to answer any questions you may have. We are only one call away from serving you.